If you're second guessing what to post, this solves it. I check just 3 things before posting any content. This is my pre-post check, a simple sheet that helps me post with confidence. I'm on the content library, and my simple check is a tab called the post filter. And as you can see, it has columns for the content idea, the platform, the hook summary, solves a real problem, reusable later, and points somewhere. And the last 3 all have yes, no drop downs. And if it's yes, it's green. If it's no, it's nothing. So these 3 checks help me avoid making mistakes. I ask myself again, does it solve something real? Can I reuse it again down the line? And does it point to somewhere? Now, it could point to a product. It could point to a list. It could point to a deeper content arc. It could point to anything as long as it points to something. Before I post anything, I filter by ideas that pass all 3. If they do, I can move them into production. If they don't, then I know they have to go back into pre-production, and I have to rework them till I can get them to the point where I bring them back to this file and they get the yeses. This takes the emotion out of posting. If an idea checks all 3 boxes, I post it. If it doesn't, I continue to work on it. If you want this filter, comment filter, and I'll send it over to you right away. Thanks for watching.